All right, so I want to show you guys how to make this kind of swooping look within Wix. So what I do is I use Canva to create these elements just because it's just easier for me to do so. So we're going to head over to Canva. All I did was created a 3000 by 200 pixel blank canvas and I added a blob to it. So let's say I liked this blob. Maybe I want to turn it around and kind of like the edges of the other side a little bit better. And essentially I'm making what is above it. I just wanted to show you an example of what you could do. And I drag it down low. And then depending on what color I want to make it is what I'm going to change it as. Now I'm just going to use the one above it. I'm going to change that to white and I'm going to go ahead and export this page to within my Canva. And I'm going to make sure I click the transparent background option. We definitely want that. And I'm going to go ahead and download that. Now I'm going to go back to my Wix page. Now I'm going to show you what I did here. So I'm going to go ahead and delete it. I'm going to click this plus button. I'm going to add an image strip. Now I'm going to go into change strip background and change the image. I'm going to go into my site files where I have my website elements. And I'm going to go ahead and upload that file that I just downloaded from Canva. There we go. And I'm going to change the background. Now, one thing that's going to default is that background color. So you're going to need to go into settings and go color image and drop the opacity all the way to 0. So that way it'll show through when I put it up on this image. And then what I'm going to do is drag it into that strip until it says attach to strip. And it's not attaching because I have 50 pixels edge on there. So I'm going to put 50 pixel edge here for this one. There we go, attach to strip. I'm going to go ahead and just drag it down there. And now what I need to do is change that 50 pixel back to 0. And now I'm going to go ahead and drag up this strip here. I'm going to click preview and voila, that's it. Now we have a beautiful just swooped look on this website.